Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made laksa. The ingredients are listed in the description box. Begin by making the shrimp broth using the head and the shells of the shrimp and putting water until it boils. And also put the shrimp meat, and once done, remove it and set it aside. Next is to cook the tofu. I'll be using air fryer, but you may also deep fry it. To make the laksa paste, add in chilies, dried shrimp, coriander seeds, shrimp paste, cashew nuts, onions, ginger, the shrimp broth that you made, and turmeric, and then pulse it until it becomes a paste. Now moving on to making the soup base, make sure to toast the laksa paste that you made, and once it has changed in color, immediately add the coconut milk or coconut cream. Stir it until it has combined. Then add sugar, fish sauce, and then the shrimp broth that you made. Stir and wait for it to boil and then set it aside. Cook rice noodles according to package's instruction, and once done, add in the laksa soup, followed by bean sprouts, shrimp, tofu, and cilantro. Then serve immediately. Enjoy!